Horticulture is about fruits, vegetables, ornamentals, spices, herbs, nuts, and medicinal plants. Horticulture has always been an integral part of our culture, our enjoyment, and our health. Horticulture makes up the colors of our environment, surrounds us with aromas, and makes our food fun and enjoyable. Horticulture is what makes life worth living, keeps us healthy, and generates employment for family members, for women in particular. Horticulture improves incomes from diversified crops and activities, adding value that benefits the small-scale holder.
Horticulture is very special compared to any other agricultural crop, and at the same time that it is very complementary. So it is not in competition. It should be really be integrated with any agricultural activity.
Horticulture goes even further than agriculture itself. It affects food consumption habits and behaviors, the cultures of people, and in future it will increasingly affect trends related to urban growth, the environment, green belts, parks and landscapes, as well as natural resource management. The experience of the food crisis during this year, 2008, has brought to the fore the major problems facing populations in the Southern Hemisphere, be they in rural or urban areas. They are not really a problem of agricultural production per se, it is rather a matter of markets and poverty. I think that the problem of poverty, through the diversification that horticultural produce brings, is the answer to the needs of poor populations, which today have scarce means for purchasing products from abroad, because when they are involved in horticultural production, they manage to reduce their levels of poverty. In this complex and diversified world, with many actors, to have an entity at the international level which facilitates the meeting between all these actors in the areas of research, production, the public and private sector, NGOs, is today absolutely essential.
GlobalHort's overall objective is to reduce poverty and improve health through knowledge sharing, innovation, and good practices from production to consumption. The Secretariat is responsible for implementing the strategy decided by the Board of Directors through a work plan articulated around 4 core activities.
Soltarlo, dejarlo ir, que vuele, que encuentre su propia voz. Ya no me pertenece a mí, yo se lo dejo a él.
What the GlobalHort is doing is coordinating horticultural activities on a global scale. For example, an insect, like a fruit fly, it does not know borders. It will be moved from one part of the globe to another part within days on the airstreams. So GlobalHort will be able to look at the key issues in horticulture and then call for teams to work together to address that issue.
There
really is a shortage of professionally trained people to support the development of horticulture in some poor countries. These countries have not had the universities, they don't have the extension services, they don't have the agents that can help people, give them advice about good production practices, safe food, these things. So there's a lot of need for capacity, human capacity building, and this is one of the things I think we should put the primary effort on.
GlobalHort is the unique consortium of the strongest organizations involved in horticultural science for development. Its board of directors comprises 10 voting members. GlobalHort is the salad dressing that can make all ingredients work successfully together with very appealing results.
Horticulture perfectly describes the need for diversity in color, form, taste, and all this is the spice of life.